Hello and welcome back. Compliments of the season. In today's video, I have a really simple, beautiful, elegant hairstyle for you guys. But first, subscribe. So in today's video, I'll be doing a very simple, elegant hairstyle for the beautiful ladies out there. First of all, as you can see, we'll start with parting our front hair and then just braid it down. This hair is beautiful and really sits in well when your hair is relaxed, but if it's not relaxed, no worries, I still got you. So first of all, we're going to pack our hair. We're taking it all back. If you have a short hair, if you have any kinky strand that you can use to attach it with so you can give it a rather firm hold, that would be beautiful. So we're going to be using our petals gel. I know, I get it. I know. We're using this to lay our hair properly and also give it a really dark limerence thing going on. It's beautiful. So we're going to use the petals gel to just style our hair, apply it on the edges to give it a dark, beautiful glow. I would use our bristle brush and just lay it down to stay slept. We're going to lay down the hair so you can really stay smooth and beautiful. So we're going to do this for all the parts, for the side, the back, the middle. We just need it to lay down properly. Please subscribe as you're watching. It will help me, and as well push this video to more beautiful ladies out there, and also share and drop a beautiful comment. This is our afro hair that we made one time, so I'm just going to brush it, spray it so it will have a sheen, beautiful shiny thing going on. So we'll attach it, there's a rope in it. Just going to use it and attach it to the hair so it will rather stay firmly. As you can see, we're going to use this and tie it properly. And as soon as we're done tying it this way, we're going to use our bobby pins. Of course, we're just going to use our bobby pins to give it a firm hold and let it stay stuck to our hair properly. All right, so we're just going to apply the bobby pin all around, in the front and the back, and the left side and the right. So as soon as we're done, I'm just going to comb this little segment of hair that I cut in front of it, and I'm not going to part it in two parts. I'm now going to braid it down, and then I'll do same for the other part as well. So if you have a short hair, you can still do this because it's still going to give us what we want. This is kinky, you guys. We're going to be using it to create this magic. As you can see, it is our crochet. So we're going to use our crochet. As you can see, you put it in, you bring it out, and then we'll do the same for the other parts as well. You put it in, you attach your kinky along with the crochets, and then you bring it out and tie it together so it will seem beautiful and effortless. Now, for those of you who haven't noticed, my hair strand is still outside, but don't worry, we got this. Make sure the length are the same so it wouldn't look off, and we're now going to comb and brush this properly so it will be smooth and soft. Make sure you comb really well, and we'll do the same for the other parts so it will give us what we really want. All right, so if you haven't subscribed, please drop a like, drop a beautiful comment. So this is our flexi rolls. We're going to use this and roll our kinky in front. As you can see, you're just going to hold it down, attach your hair along with the kinky, and then you use the flexi rolls and then you roll it. Make sure you roll it all the way up, and then you now tie it so you wouldn't fall off. So as you're rolling it, make sure you also attach your hair so you wouldn't fall off. As you can see, I'm also doing that here as well. And we're now going to tie it this way. Make sure you're careful doing it so to give you a beautiful effortless look. And we're going to do the same for the other part as well. As you're rolling, make sure you attach your hair. So we're just going to roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it. You then tie it so it's the same beautiful, okay? I'm going to use hot water to really attach it to stay firm. Make sure the hair is soaked properly to the hot water. Yeah, let it give us that effect that we need. So make sure you do it interchangeably. If the water is getting colder, we're going to use our camera edge control and really style our edges beautifully. So we're going to style our edges and do it for the other part as well. And as you're doing this, please love and enjoy the process. Like I always say, as you're doing this, enjoy the process. So guys, I let this curl stay on my hair for like an hour. I had to leave it on and go do my makeup and back. And oh my god, look at this. Oof. Yes, it gave me what I wanted. I love this. Now this is the effect that I wanted, and it really gave it. Oh, I love this. So you're going to unroll the other one as well. As if you guys notice, my hair is still outside, so as I've rolled it, I will now use my hair and now attach it to the kinky, so you wouldn't even notice that my hair is outside. We are going to accessorize the front hair and give it that beautiful effect. Let me know what you think about this hairdo. Let me know if you'll be trying this hair. Let me know if I killed this hair look. Let me know if you think my makeup is pretty. So if you will be trying this hair, state it in the comment section and tell me your favorite thing about this hairdo. If you haven't subscribed up until now, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to drop a beautiful comment and let me know if you'll be trying this hairdo, okay? Share it as well and it will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate. Drop a beautiful comment. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye and take care.